Okay, so today we have a pretty sizable dent on the bedside of a Dodge pickup truck. You can see it's a pretty big dent. The customer measured it and said that it was 21 inches long and 17 inches tall. You can see that whatever he scraped up against also left a paint scrape on his paint, which that'll clean off when we're all done. Here we're just going to set our light up so that we can see the details of the dent and see what we're doing a little better. We're going to start this dent out by trying to glue pull the center of it out, the depth of it out, which will make it easier for us to fine tune. So you can see there's the light on it. We can see it a little bit better. There's a glue tab on it. This is actually not going to work out the way that we had hoped, or the way that I had hoped. When I pull it, I'm going to pull a high spot in the middle, and I have two dents, one on each side of where that glue tab is. And so then I'm going to put a glue tab on each of those two dents. And when I pull that, I'm going to get even more distortion. So this actually did not work out the way I anticipated. But once we get those two out, you'll be able to see the distortion. And then since we have a distorted area, we're going to use a hammer. You'll be able to see where the metal is has high spots. We're going to use this to kind of knock those high spots down. Well, those high spots are also stress points. So as we knock those down, the dent will actually smooth out a lot. It'll actually make some of the dent come out. So now we're going to adjust our light. We're going to begin to push the metal from the back side. You can see the metal flexing. We have a tool that's behind the dent, pushing it out. And here you can see from a different angle we're doing the same thing. You can see where the light is pinching together. That's our tool behind the metal pushing. And then we're going to back the camera away so that you can kind of see how we're doing that. Back at the back of the truck where the tail light would normally be, we've removed the tail light. And we have an 8-foot rod that goes behind the sheet metal and pushes from the back side. And here we have a finished product. This is after we finished doing everything. We've got the paint scuff off of it, and we've also fixed the dent. And you can see that it's a very clean repair. It's not perfect, but it is about 95%. And the customer was very happy. And you really can't tell without having the trained eye that there was ever anything done to it. It took about 3 hours.